Welcome back. Amidst IFFI celebration and State Mines Department has reached Delhi with a final detailed report on mining in Goa. Mine owners and Mines Department officials will hold a meeting with CEC on Wednesday. Ministry of Mines, Ministry of Environment, FIMI and Petitioner Cloud Alvarez will be present for the meeting. CEC will prepare their report after this meeting.
Goa Mineral Ore Exporters Association and Goa Mining Association representatives are in Delhi to take part in the CEC meeting. CEC will hold a meeting with concerned officers and will discuss relevant information. Chairman of GMOEA, Shivanand Salgaonkar, said that they don't have any idea of the outcome of the meeting. They are hopeful for positive outcome.
मीटिंग GMOE आणि GME गव्हर्नमेंटात डेटा मागला आणि आमकां त्या मिटिंगेक अटेंड जा म्हणला.
ओके सो तुम्ही तांकां डेटा बीन व्हरून दितले?
आमकां खबर ना पयलीं कितें जाय म्हणून.
ओके
सद्या आमकां कांयच खबर ना. अजिबात अंदाज ना आमकां कितें विचारतले काय म्हणून.
Mining Department sources confirm. Director of Mines and Geology Prasanna Acharya in Delhi with final detailed report. Director also asked to be present for the meeting by CEC. Director will submit report during the meeting with CEC. Earlier, CEC rejected Mines Department report due to contradiction in details. Outcome of the meeting on Wednesday would decide the fate of mining in the state. Supreme Court constituted CEC to inspect alleged illegal mining scam in the state. CEC has visited Goa and inspected various mines. They have also held several meetings with mine owners and other stakeholders. Our reporter from Panji, Mahesh Gadi for Prudent.
The mining dependent people from Virge and surrounding areas carried out a protest march from Virge to Usgaon. They walked for almost 18 kilometers. They claim that nobody has taken note of problems faced by them.
Over 100 protesters marched for almost 18 kilometers raising slogans against the mining ban in the state. They claim that mining in the state has been banned from September. Since then, nobody has taken cognizance of their woes.
शेताक कुळकारां सगळीं गेल्लीं आसा आनी ह्यो मायनी ज्यो आसा त्यो मायनीचो प्रश्न सुप्रीम कोर्टान जरी आसलो जाल्यार आमच्या पोटाचो प्रश्न जो आसा तो सरकारान आमचो सोडचो आनी डेली जे आमच्या जेवणाचो कितें ह्या रोजी रोटी जी आसा ती चलची अशी सरकारान करचे अशी आमची सामकी एक कळकळीची मागणी आसा. जे फॉर्म आमचे भरून व्हेल्यान तेणी आमकां पॅकेज दिता म्हणजे तेजी अजून कांय हालचाल जावंक ना आनी ती बी हालचाल करची म्हणजे दोशी वाटेन आमी जे पेच आमचेर जो आयिल्लो आसा एका वाटेन लोन आनी दुसऱ्या वाटेन आमकां आतां खाणा जेवणाचो जो प्रश्न आसा तो भुरग्यांक इस्कॉलाक कशें धाडची हांगासरल्यान जो आमचो प्रश्न चालू जाता तो सान मेरेन आमकां फक्त आमची तकली आमी अशी हें करून बसलेले आसता की कितें करचें फुडें आनी कोणा कडेन वचचें.
रेशन कार्ड वोटिंग कार्ड सगळें ऑलरेडी आमचे हांगा आतां 20-20 वर्सां सोडून आमी आतां म्हटलें खंय वचून सेटल जातलें हें आतां आमकां सरकारान आमकां कितें तरी करचें न्हू.
कोणूच हांगासर येवन कांयच पळयना ह्या वेळेन तर आमकां कांय सहानुभूती खंयचीच ना. तेन्ना इकडे आड तिकडे वीर अशी परिस्थिती भ्रमिष्ट अशें सगळे जाण चालले आसा.
A reporter from Virge, Uday Parab.
The death anniversary of Father Agnel was celebrated on Tuesday at Pilar. Thousands of people flocked to shrine on the hillock to receive divine intervention. This day is celebrated on the feast of Sacred of Jesus.
Father Agnel, an inspiration to live a life of faith, love and hope. He is a friend to the youth and savior to the sick. After intense prayers during the Navinas for 9 days, the faithful celebrate their feast today. We have Father Feroz Fernandez with us who is going to tell us more about the feast. Happy feast, Father.
Thank you. The significance of this day is on November 20th, early in the morning, Father Agnello passed away. According to the Christian tradition, people pray for a good death, and Father Agnello also prayed for a good death to die on a feast day of Sacred Heart of Jesus. And November 20th was the feast day of Sacred Heart of Jesus. Previous day he had collapsed while giving a homily from the pulpit, and from there he went into sickness. The next day he died. Now what is the important thing about this great person is his simplicity and his holiness. Because he was very simple, simple people can connect to him. The connection, the magnetic power of Father Agnello is his simplicity and his holiness. And therefore you see so many people coming to Pilar over here just because he was a holy priest and a simple priest. The important thing over here, people come here for three reasons. First is to pray for a favor, for a miracle, something impossible. But medically they find it difficult to happen. They pray to Father Agnello and they get it done. So many people pray for cancer. The doctor has given up the case, but they get cured over here. People come here for second reason is to thank Father Agnello because through his intercession God has bestowed on them the favor. And third reason they come here to pray that Agun's son should be made a saint by Vatican. So we may find a miracle which will declare him a saint.
So with this, we wish all our viewers a happy feast of the Sacred Heart of Jesus. And a happy day, of course. With the senior video journalist Tulsidas Charlie, this is Greta Menezes for Prudent.
Finally, seafarers will get their pension from January 2013. Commissioner of NRI Affairs had notified this pension scheme in the official gazette on 4th October this year. Pension scheme for the seafarers will be implemented from 1st of December.
Office of the Commissioner of NRI Affairs has finally given a green signal to the much-awaited pension scheme for the retired seamen and widows of the deceased seafarers. Scheme will be implemented from December this year. These are the criteria for availing the pension scheme for the seafarers. Scheme available for seamen engaged on lowly paid jobs. Seaman has to complete 60 years of age. Scheme for seamen invalidated from sea services on medical grounds before retirement. Scheme for widows of deceased seafarers. Annual income of the applicant should not exceed 1.20 lakh rupees. Eligible beneficiaries can collect their application forms from District Collectorate North Goa and South Goa on working days. Seamen can submit their duly filled form to the Office of NRI Affairs at Secretariat Purvari between 10 to 1 or 2 to 5 on working days. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.